Hey everybody, this is my buddy Russell Wright's 1968 GT350 Shelby. This is a barn find car. He's known about this car for about, what, 20, 30 years?
1983.
Since 1983 he's known about the car, and he's been lusting after it ever since, and it finally came into his possession about 6 months or so ago. This 97,000 original mile car. Let's do a quick walk around, and I'll introduce you to Russell, and check this bad boy out. Russell, you mind opening the hood? Those are the original hubcaps. It's been painted once, but all the chrome is original, all the glass is original, the interior is completely original. It's got 97,000 miles. Look at that. Been a little bit of work done on the engine, but back in the 60s and 70s, that's what people did. You didn't leave stuff alone. You didn't have to. It's got ram air. Original fiberglass hood. Her name is Shelly, by the way. Probably see why. It's original fiberglass front end. It came on a 68 Shelby.
A tropical storm knocked a limb down over the front of it.
What year was that?
It's about 5 years ago, 06.
Wow. So this car is a true survivor. It's a 289 4-speed. Oh, I'm sorry, 302.
This 302 4-barrel, and actually this is, those are the valve covers that came on it. That's the carburetor that came on it. That's the breather that was on it. And a
little redneck hot wire going on, but that's okay. That's what you do, man. Check it out. That is all original. Truth be told, the ignition switch went out today, and so we had to kind of jury rig things just to get the video done. But look at that. All the paint in here is original. Everything in here is original, except the battery. And the radiator's been recored, but it is the original radiator.
It's got the body buck tag back there by the
right there.
Hinge. It's got the Charlotte City sticker from 1980.
Yeah, the last time the car was legal was 1980. 302 4-speed. And this is probably the car that made the 5.0 famous, because this is the first year of the 5.0. A 302 is a 5-liter engine. They bumped up the 289 to a 302.
If it was a 2-barrel car, it got a 289 2-barrel. If it was a 4-barrel car, it got a 302 4-barrel.
Cool.
There were no 289 4-barrels in 68.
Let's show everybody the things that didn't normally come on a 68 350. Like the ram air hood. Yeah, they only came on GT500s.
This was
right?
actually the KR, not even just GT500. It was typically a KR only.
King of the road.
Deal, but this hood is original to this car because I've known it, all the subsequent owners since the first. You can see this has not been repainted. It's still got the original bonding color, and the witness mark.
Yeah, and keep in mind, people, this is 50 years ago this car was built.
This was a late build, so I think they were just cleaning off the parts shelf or whatever they had. It also has a unique feature with reinforced shock towers.
Yeah, that's normally a big block only option.
Exactly.
Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Power brakes, power steering, 302 4-speed.
Tilt-away wheel.
Tilt-away wheel. That's something you generally saw on T-Birds, not Mustangs.
You put new sneakers on it, didn't you?
And new sneakers. Got to make it roadworthy. Those are the original hubcaps.
The gas cap back here also says Cobra Jet on it, which obviously would have been a KR car gas cap, but that has not been changed either. So I think they just pulled it from the shelf. Because 69 was a completely different body style. None of those parts would interchange with 69.
Right. So this was kind of whatever was left over, let's throw it on this car because we don't need it for the next year.
It was May of 68, which is not long after they resolved the strike in 68 and right before they did tool down for body style change.
So you're saying the guys who built this car were happy or were unhappy in their jobs? They just came off strike.
UAW guys, they've got to be happy, fellas.
Just making fun of you union guys. Isn't this a sweet car though? I'm not going to tell you what he paid for it, but he got a smoking deal. This is an investment.
Every time I get behind the wheel, so I'm going to keep this car like this for a while. Just make it a good driver, and then restore it in a couple of years. But,
hopefully with my help.
Well, sure.
Steve the Body Man, subscribe.
Nobody more qualified.
Thanks, Russell. And in case you haven't noticed the background, we're on the St. Johns River in St. Augustine. Check that out. Over here at Doug's house. So thanks for tuning in. Again, subscribe to my channel. Check it out. I'm Steve the Body Man. Have a great day.